India's second Arihant-class nuclear ballistic missile submarine, that is SSBN INS Arighat, was commissioned onto the Indian Navy on the 29th of August. The new submarine brings India one step closer to the nuclear second strike capability while also entrenching the nuclear competition in the Indo-Pacific. The SSBNs are potent and highly specialized military assets operated by only the United States, Russia, China, and the United Kingdom, France, and India. These boats are armed with the submarine-launched nuclear ballistic missiles. Also, due to their inherent stealth and the ability to evade detection and survive the first strike, these submarines are designed to provide a reliable second strike capability and underpin the strategic nuclear deterrence via the principle of mutual assured destruction. Also, upon the commissioning of the new SSBN, the India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh noted that the INS Arighat will further strengthen India's nuclear triad, enhance the nuclear deterrence, help in establishing strategic balance and peace in the region, and play a decisive role in the security of the country. India's first Arihant SSBN INS Arihant was commissioned in the August 2016. Also, Arihant is a Sanskrit term meaning destroyer of the enemy, which the Indian Ministry of Defence selected due to its subtlety and appropriateness. Although the details are scarce, the ministry noted that the newer INS Arighat is significantly more advanced and has benefited from various indigenous systems and equipment developed by the Indian science, naval, and industry specialist. Like its predecessor, INS Arighat has 4 launches tube and can carry either 12K 15 Sagarika submarine launched ballistic missiles, 750 km range, or 4K force 300-500, that is the kilometer range of the submarine. That specifies that a tidally also held the photos that were hard to come by. But the India's third SSBN, named INS Ardhiman, is expected to be commissioned in 2025, and a fourth is currently under construction. Also, India's nuclear weapon program made various advances in the 2024. In March, that is also the India successfully tested its Agni 5 land-based intercontinental missile that also multiplies independently targetable re-entry vehicles, further closing the technological gap between the India and China.